Meet the digital LED alarm clock, a perfect blend of modern style and everyday convenience. The large LED display makes time, date, and day easy to read, even from a distance. Choose between 12 or 24-hour format, and keep track of your schedule effortlessly. This clock is USB powered, so just plug it into your laptop, computer, or any phone adapter you already use at home. For power cuts, there's a triple-A battery backup that saves your time and settings, so you never have to reset again. Please note, batteries are for backup only, not for running the clock. With the dual alarm system, set 2 different alarms for workdays and weekends. And yes, there's a snooze function for those extra few minutes of sleep. Its compact size and sleek black finish make it perfect for your bedside table, study desk, office, or living room decor. Simple, stylish, reliable. The digital LED alarm clock made to fit your daily routine.